Hi everyone, welcome to Maharashtra Solvent Extraction. Let me take you all on a virtual tour of our company. We have a crushing plant for 1200 metric tons per day capacity and edible oil refineries for 500 metric tons per day, refining soybean, cottonseed, and sunflower oil. Our factory is spread across 25 acres of land. We have total 4 silos for storage of soybeans and 3 warehouses by which we can store nearly 40,000 metric tons of soybeans, which is our monthly requirement. On my right is the refining unit and the oil storage tanks. I will give you a 360-degree view of our overall facility. First, we shall start with the unloading section of soybean seed. Here, labor cut the bags and by help of conveyor, soybean is moved to the pre-cleaning plant in which all impurities like dust, sticks and sand is removed and clean soybeans is stored in the silos. For everyday process, soybean is moved to the extraction plant by way of conveyors, and again we do cleaning to remove all foreign matters possible. First we take it on seed cleaner to remove sticks, and then by way of destoner and magnetic separator, sand is removed. We try our best to remove all impurities whatever possible from the soybean seed before the extraction. As you can see in this video, whatever foreign matters which were not removed in the pre-cleaning are removed by way of magnetic separators. Then we do cracking of soybean seed and move it to cooker where cracked soybean is cooked. Here you can see the soybeans after cooking, and then we do flaking and make it in flake form to increase the surface area of soybeans. As you can see, this is the sample of the soybean seed in flake form, after which we expand it in an expander and make it in form of oil cake for better oil extraction, and then moved to dryer and cooler to reduce the moisture levels, and then with the help of conveyor we move it to the extraction plant. This is the extractor unit. It comes in the extractor in which we spray hexane, by which oil and hexane is separated, and we get soybean meal, which is then taken in DT, which is desolventizer and toaster, to remove any hexane residue and toast the soybean meal for better digestibility. Soybean meal now is hot and in bigger particle size, as we can see in this sample, and we again move it to our warehouse where we again use dryer and cooler to reduce moisture and make it cool, and then we screen the soybean meal, and by way of hammer meal we reduce the particle size to avoid any lumps, and then we move it for packing in 50 kg PP bags and store it in our warehouse. This is our warehouse where we stack it and store the soybean meal, and then we load it in trucks and move it to port for our shipments or for domestic use. We have our own in-house laboratory to test all parameters of soybean meal and oil by wet chemistry method. Our lab monitors the quality of soybean meal 24/7. We also have a NIR machine to get instant results of soybean meal, by which we can inform our technical team to maintain quality in case if any deviation in specs. I will briefly show you on our oil packaging unit where we pack in different packaging size including pouches, jar and tins, and we sell this refined oil in our brand in local market. Here was a brief video to make you understand on our operations, and I hope it gave you some idea on our overall manufacturing facility. Thanks a lot.